was for the deliverables. I like it. And here are the products. There are so many things I can't control, but the things that I can. The Dick Polipnick Show. Hey brokers, Dick Polipnick here, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of clarity when it comes to a scope of work, or when it comes to planning a project, or should even planning a business. So what I have here behind me are two whiteboards from a strategy session and a Scott, name of the session we just had.
My favorite barber.
Oh my gosh, it's escaping me. What do you call this thing? Storyboarding.
Yeah.
we had a 2.5 hour long storyboarding session, so that way we can clarify what the founder, what the CEO of the company's vision was for the deliverables. I like it. And here are the products. So you can see here that they're creating a disruptive product niche in an already established industry. So it's walking that fine line of that gray area between giving the middle finger to the competitors versus saying, hey, we are a new, improved 2.0, a better version of what you're currently using. Tipping the hat, being respectful to the industry standard, because there's a lot of barbers, there's a lot of customers who you might have that really like the standard that's existing today, the bar, and you are just trying to raise that bar. You're not trying to eliminate the bar completely, so that's really important. So you're going to see here after this clip here some footage of, or maybe we're using it as B-roll, there's some footage of some online growth systems team members, Scott specifically, myself, and the clients talking about what he has for the vision, and then how we can reverse engineer that into practical steps, into actual wireframes or actual storyboards for the video, actually writing out what are the benefits, what's the actual text that's going to be on the screen in this scenario. So you can see here, we started at a very high level. We looked at competitors, then we took a piece and said, what do we like about our competitors? What do we want to be different about them? So we did a very high level here, and then we went down more practical. We went to the technical level of what is the actual text that's going to be on the screen? What are we actually going to be looking at? What are the frames going to be? What's it going to jump to? And then that's how you go from big picture, you refine the scope, and eventually you come down to a final product. And we'll probably, by the time this video gets released, or maybe we'll do a part 2, depends on how it shakes out, but we could actually show some of the editing process and how it actually came out to be, what the final clip is. So without further ado, here is the clip.
Beard and lineup color enhancement. A semi-permanent dye specifically for use with an airbrush. Available for the first time in 2 and 4 ounce bottles. Featuring a no-drip nozzle. A proprietary blend eliminates shake time, is waterproof, splatter-free, and ready to use. Enhancement cards designed with versatility and durability, but more importantly, precision. Color enhancement is formulated to extend airbrush performance and decrease cleaning time and frequency. Reduces residual buildup that leads to clogging and airbrush failure. Made by barbers, for barbers.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock.